Hey everyone, good morning. Today I'm doing some research about something new that I found out during the search for a messaging API for our new SDK. It's called Cadence, and I'll probably be able to tell you some more about it tomorrow. So let's hear it from the team.
Today I'm also working mostly on research. We discussed with Hai some possible implementations for PubSub, specifically PubSub, reading a few articles about it and doing research, and also your tasks for UI is basically the same.
So today I continue to do my research on Travis. I'm testing this platform. And in parallel, I'm continue to do some tasks of post ICO.
As the rest of the team, doing research and UI tasks for the post ICO for tomorrow, for today.
Yeah, so I was working since the morning on post SEO tasks and working with Yuri on arranging all our design materials so you can have direct access to it.
So I'm working on the interface for the SDK, refining it a bit so it's more developer friendly, some optimization for the post ICO website, and preparing a presentation I'll be giving on Wednesday morning at a Volkswagen event.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Yesterday main focus was around last day before the token sale, so some website changes, some partnership work, and a few other things there. Today, the token sale is now complete. Thank you everybody for the amazing support. Did a bunch of work for the website changes to happen, and then also making sure the community is up to date on everything post token sale. Thanks everybody, thank you again. Have a great day.
Hey everyone, today is the last day of the token sale, so right up until the very last minute, we'll be making sure people's KYCs get through and that they have all their questions answered on how to contribute, and we will see you on the other side.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I finished and released the video presentation for the big automotive company, and then I ordered equipment for tomorrow's event, Smart Mobility and Blockchain at Midtown, and now I'm gonna edit the DailyDAV, and that's it for now. See you next time.
Hey guys, welcome to my DailyDAV. Yesterday I was doing some research around APIs for freight aggregators and DAV's role in that. And today I'm doing some work researching for a call tomorrow with John and a company in Canada to do with payments using the DAV token. Thank you.